Hello everyone! Today on Buddy Bear TV, we're going to learn about some amazing work vehicles. Look at all these cool trucks and tractors. They come in so many different colors. This is a fire truck. It's red like a juicy tomato. Fire trucks rush to help people when there's a fire. This is a bulldozer. It's yellow like the sun. Bulldozers push dirt and rocks to build roads and houses. This is a tractor. It's green like a frog. Tractors help farmers plant seeds and harvest crops. This is a dump truck. It's blue like the ocean. Dump trucks carry sand, gravel, and even dirt. This is a garbage truck. It's purple like a juicy plum. Garbage trucks collect our trash and keep our towns clean. Look at all the colors. Red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. These work vehicles help us every day. They're strong and they work hard. Let's pretend to drive our work vehicles. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. We can help build things, put out fires, and keep our world clean. I hope you enjoyed learning about all these colorful work vehicles. See you next time on Buddy Bear TV.